60,000 ballots called into question by the state GOP. Democrat Justice Allison Riggs defeated Republican Jefferson Griffin, but he's disputing the validity of tens of thousands of those ballots, including thousands from U.S. service members.
WRL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joins us with reaction from Democratic lawmakers. Laura.
You know, of the 60,000 or so votes that are being challenged by Jefferson Griffin with the backing of the state Republican Party, about 5,500 of those votes were cast by overseas voters and military service members. State law does not require those voters to show photo ID. Griffin and the state GOP say those votes could be fraudulent and should not have been counted. Democrats say Republicans wrote the voter ID law, and these 5,500 voters followed that law, so they say those votes should count. Griffin is only challenging overseas and military ballots from 4 large counties that he lost. That includes Durham, the home of Rebecca Lobach, one of the helicopter pilots who died in last week's mid-air collision in D.C. Democrat Marcia Morey was her state house representative.
She served with honor and distinction. She was a, quote, brilliant and fearless patriot that has been reported. And tragically, she died a week ago today in Washington. She can't fight to have her ballot count, so we will stand here and try and do it for her.
Now, Democrats are calling on Griffin to drop his legal challenge and concede the race. After the initial count and 2 recounts, he remains more than 700 votes behind Democrat incumbent Allison Riggs. Democrats wanted to move the case to the federal court, but the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, last night rejected that bid, so the case will move forward in state court instead. Republicans said they were pleased by that decision, and the first hearing in that case is expected to take place Friday in a Wake County trial court. Laura Leslie, WRL News, live in Raleigh.